Constance called me to say her life was spiraling out of control. She was feeling haunted by her past. For most of Constance's life, her country, Sudan, has been ravaged by civil war. She was one of 4 million forced to flee. This is Constance with her 6 children in a Kenyan refugee camp where they lived for 10 years. I first filmed Constance in 2006. She and her family were amongst the first group of refugees to make Wagga Wagga their home. After years of fighting for survival, Constance could finally settle in to a safer life.
So, and I'm still alive, and I found somewhere to call home. Now I'm at home, where I'm living in peace, I'm doing everything, so it's home for me.
Now, 8 years on, she's still fighting.
In the war zone, I fight for survival. In the camp, I fight for human rights. And here, I'm fighting for belonging.
I've come back to find out why Constance has been pushed to the edge.